I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for.
Hello, what's good, y'all? So today I'm just going to give you a quick update on the 5k challenge accounts I'm trading currently, right? So today is Wednesday and we had a new CPI. I didn't trade CPI at all. The reason is very simple. Currently I'm not very good at trading news, so I try my best to stay off the market during this high impact news, right? So today I didn't trade anything at all, right? But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to quickly update you on a trade I took on Monday and Tuesday and the outcome of the trade and the current state of my 5k challenge account. Is it going down? Is it going up? We'll soon find out. But then I'm going to put you through what I did on Monday and Tuesday on a chart right now. So quickly, let's go to the chart and see how best we can break things down. I'll see you. Alright, so we are right back here on my chart, and this is GBP USD chart right here, and this is what's happened, for the past 2 days I've traded. And like you already know, this Wednesday I did not trade the news because I'm not that much vested into it, right? So on Monday I took a trade, however I ran at a loss, right? Both trades hit SL and it knocked me out, right? I took some few trades. I took 4 trades Monday. 2 of them I closed them in profit, but small profit, and the remaining 2 they hit my SL and they eat into my profit that I took for that day. So I came down a little bit, but my initial capital, that's the 5k, is still intact. Like I have not touched it, right? And on Tuesday I took a trade on Euro USD and GBP USD, right? So this is the GBP USD right here, and if you can see clearly, this was my TP on Tuesday. So I've labeled it over here, this like Tuesday TP, right? I don't know if you can see clearly, right? Let me just check this for you. All right, this color, I'm gonna make it, okay, let me make it red over here for you to see here. All right, this is it right here, Tuesday, and that is my Tuesday TP. So I took the trade based on one principle. I think, let me bring in my indicator right here. Good. This is the indicator I've been using, and I kind of deleted some parts of it because I only trade London session and a New York session. So basically this is the idea behind it. Okay, I actually watched the markets to move down to, at the London session. It came all the way down, so I marked the low of the day based on the London session. I know most people have different ways of marking the lows and the highs of the day, but basically this is what I'm using to trade for now, right? I'm using the London low and the London high. Okay, so what I mostly look for on this London low or London high is that I want a reversal to happen, right? Listen, it doesn't happen in most cases, right? It doesn't happen, let's say always, it doesn't happen always, but often, all right, more often than not, it happens, right? If you go back in time, all right, let's check something quickly. This is the high during the London session right here. This box over here marks the London session, as you can see at the top right here, and this moved up, and this was the high of the London session, right? So from there it starts kicking down, right? And in the New York session, you could see price came down all the way down. And similar thing happened right here. When you come back, you see this is the London session right here, and it overlapped with the New York session, right? Good, we're back. And it came down right here, meaning it created a low of the day based on the London session. And after that, price rally up all the way up. So this is basically the principle I was trading, and yeah. So on Tuesday, I got into the trade somewhere here, and this is it right here. And I was targeting all the way up here, but I couldn't wait for, the market to move to that place. So I ended up closing my trade in 35, pips, and I closed the trade right there. And the next day, which happened to be the news day, and that is for CPI. CPI pushed the market all the way down, all the way up to my targeted TP. But listen, I was out of the market way long before that thing actually happened, right? So supposing I stay in the markets, that thing could have favored me. However, I was out long time ago, and you know what? It's all part of the game. So yeah, that is it. And one thing I'm developing about this news stuff is that, you know, the reversal after the news is something that you should also take note of. When you look at this happening over here, price went all the way up, and after that it started to shoot down after the news, right? After the news, it started shooting down. Now, there's one thing I didn't tell you, all right? There's one thing I didn't tell you about a trade I took right here. The trade I took right here is based on a fair value gap down here. Let me trace it back for you to see. Alright, so I took this particular trade based on the fair value gap shown up over here, and the other block shown at the down right here. Alright, the bullish other block right there. That is the main reason I took that particular trade, because price came down into it. Alright, price came all the way down into it, and after that price started shooting up. So once price entered this particular last order block I marked over here, the other block is below the fair value gap, and that gave me the strong confirmation that price will definitely go up to clear up the buy side liquidities at the top right here. So I entered a trade based on the fair value gap and the other block I've seen right there. Okay, it's an ICT concept actually. Yeah, I talked a little bit about ICT stuff right here on this channel. You can go check it out, and here it's probably going to help you in the long run, right? So that is it basically about the trade so far, and the good news is my account is still intact. It has not gone into any negative, any drawdown yet. I'm still up with just a little profit, like $40 something right there. So I'm hoping to, you know, trade during the remaining days of the week and see how best it will go. All right, so that is it, and this is the breakdown of the trade I took for the last 2 days, and the challenge is still on. If you also want to hop onto the challenge, then go ahead and click the link in the video description, and let's ride this together. Right, so this is Godsway here, and I hope to see you in the next video.